note, let's get back to the program.
They in here partying. Some restaurant upstairs. I guess I'll show y'all around here first, man. I'm gonna go walk up the street. But it's not a whole lot to see in this area on the street. I'll show you anyway. But I'm gonna show you this little shopping center first, man. But as you see right here, this is Cambridge Crossing. They got like Thai food, pizza. There's a bunch of stores in here, man. A lot of restaurants, but it's like sedity, man. It ain't cheap. And they don't even really have local food in here either. This is more what I'm looking for, but I'm gonna still give y'all a little tour in here right quick. Yeah, feel it. Just a little pizza joint. I ain't gonna lie, I don't hardly ever try pizza outside of Chicago. Selling smoking products in the vending machines here. I gotta pause it right quick. I gotta see if they got a SIM card. Back to the SIM card. They got sushi right here. South Bond. But that's what they were asking me, was like, can I find any weed out here? And I'm like, so far, no, I haven't found anything.
You found the base now.
I found a good spot, man. I didn't I didn't realize that you had dispensaries here though.
Yeah.
So I was thinking I would have to find it on the street, you know.
Right, bro. You come to the base.
So they got all kind of gummies and edibles.
Yeah.
They got flour too. The sign outside says CBD, but they got everything you need basically. So I got lucky, man. Barbershop, I might get a lining up in here. I don't know. Johnny Wami. I'm Johnny Fu. Today I'm recording, so you know, say hello to the people. Hello. My other friend, how you doing, bro? I'm Johnny. Good. This the brother that, good to see you too, man. This the brother that helped me with the hot, the hot green curry yesterday, the spring rolls. It was delicious. What's the name of the restaurant? I'm gonna put it on here. Simply Asia. On Cambridge Crossing. Okay. Before, I'm not gonna keep you. I know you're working, but I just wanted to ask you a question. Like we talked about yesterday. You said, in your opinion, there's nothing here that you can't find in other places. True, but you can find what? You can find Amapiano, Afro beats. You have Ugula, fruit here that you can't get in any other place. In America, UK, you cannot grow. You have the gold and the diamonds we talked about before. I mean, in Africa though. In general, yeah. So I'm just saying, you have a lot of things. You have good weather most of the year. Very nice, friendly people. So there's a lot to offer, you know. But I think because maybe you were born here and you live here your whole life, you're like, oh, it's regular, it's nothing to you. But yeah, you blessed, man. Yeah. I told you, the only thing I think that is like better in America is Imali. You can make money faster. It's a Inejubani fast. How you say quickly, like fast? Inejubani? Okay, my accent. I be saying the right word and I say it wrong. I'm gonna go. I might come, but I'm gonna go record the rest of the mall first. You know, so they can see. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, what I showed you yesterday. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, that's for fun, you know. I do that on the side, man. But so what's your name? And you? Alright. It's good to meet you all. And I will see you again soon, Sizo Bonana. I'll probably come back and get some Ugula again. Okay, see you later. Bakery in here, I ain't coming this far before. Mug and Bean Cafe. Got a little supermarket in here. Or like a little mini Mariano's or something. salon in here. I think you can see it now. Butcher shop. And that's basically it, man. So she said there's no second floor, so I guess I heard the music coming from the bar. Let me go back to the phone store, see if I can get this SIM card. So yeah, y'all got a decent idea. Cambridge Crossing. It's like 2 or 3 different shopping centers like this in this area. It's the only one I've been to. But it's pretty nice, you see. It ain't cheap. And to be honest, it seems like mostly white folks shopping here. I definitely see some black customers too, but seems like more black people are working here. Some are shopping. Alright, like I say, there ain't no local food, no local restaurant. Let me go see about this SIM card. And then I'll check back in when I stop and get some food. Let y'all see the prices and all that. In a minute. Driving through Sunninghill. I found a very nice driver, man, to help me out. It's been hard for me to get American money, or hard for me to get rand for my American money. But now we're on our way to Mandela Square, so I can get a bank that will exchange it. I've been to 2 banks so far, but none of them would take American money. Hopefully 3rd time's a charm, you know. What you say your name is again?
Nelson Mandela Square.
No, your name.
Oh, Matemba.
Matemba.
Yeah.
All right, nice to meet you, my brother.
Right.
So, as far as Uber, I know here, you all take cash, right?
Yeah.
I just pay them cash to go where I go. You know, in America, we're not supposed to take cash at all.
Right.
It's not allowed. Like,
Yeah, they allowed it, but at first it wasn't allowed. They only do card
like on a card, like credit card.
Yeah, debit cards. Yeah.
Right. That's what they do.
Money will get you directly, like right now.
Okay.
Maybe after a week, yeah, you get it.
This is really the most traveling I've done so far. I've only been here since yesterday, so maybe now I've been here for 24 hours. But the city is beautiful so far, man. They got all this American food too. It's another Burger King,
Oh, yeah.
KFC, Pizza Hut.
We got it on that side, KFC. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
I-
That's where I started.
You like that stuff?
KFC.
Any of those? You like those restaurants?
Yeah, I do.
Man, I stopped eating a lot of that stuff. They got McDonald's and everything American over here. And so, do you know Fed Cook and Amaguinia?
Yeah, I do, but I
That's-
don't like them. I ate them a lot.
You don't like? You say you had too much. You tired of it now? Okay, I want to try that, man. Yeah.
But now, by this time now, they are finished.
Okay. Yeah, it's no rush. Not today or not now, but just before I leave,
Sorry?
before I go, you know.
You need to try them.
Yeah, I want to try.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the problem again in the area I'm in. It's no local food. It's all like,
Where you are staying. When you go
Yeah.
into Soweto, you'll find.
okay,
When
cool,
you go into
cool.
Soweto, you'll find.
Yeah, that's what I want to eat, man. Everything there was like Thai food, Asian,
Yeah, where you at?
yeah, American food.
Oh. You want something like originally from
Yeah, man. I didn't come here to eat food I could eat in America, you know. It's the kind of stuff I want to see, though. The downtown and everything. It's like I say, they never show us any of this. When they show it, never, man.
They make sure that you don't come.
Basically, yeah, yeah.
Because what I'm going to see, poverty.
It's like, oh, it's everyone lives in the village. It's just animals village. That's it.
Yeah.
It's like it's more to Africa than just that, you know. But they do the same to us.
On that side.
Because what do they show you about America here? What do you see in the movies and like videos,
Yeah.
TV? What do you see? You tell me.
Like this, they put America like the best place to be.
Like make it look like this.
Yeah. You'll never see there is a shacks. There
But
is
it's
places,
a lot of poor people,
Yeah.
dangerous areas.
Yeah.
And we have animals. We don't have like lions and zebras, but we have mountain lions and we got wild animals and all of that.
You got shacks on that side as well. You got shacks on that side as well.
I wouldn't call them shacks. Kinda. It's different, but yeah, like very small. It's just like the shacks here, the people make them themselves. They build them.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, in America, most of the time, they don't really build them. Like, most of the time, someone else builds it. But they do have, especially in California, they call them tiny houses. It'll be a house, but it'll be about as, like, a little bigger than the little store right here. It's a nice building, whatever this is. It's beautiful. Do you know what this building is? It's like a hotel or something?
There's a hotel.
But this gold one right here, what is this?
It's a hotel. What is it? I forgot the name.
Well, it might be like a business.
It's a hotel. It's a mall.
Ah, okay.
The mall. The Mark building.
That's a nice mall, man.
It's the tallest building in Africa.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This one here.
Oh, that's
The
dope.
Leonardo.
The Leonardo.
Yeah.
It's the tallest building in Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This part right here reminds me like downtown Chicago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same as.
It's very similar.
So, tell me, you got someone's number who will call when you have, like, the person who will contact if you have a problem around here?
Not really. I mean, I have a few people's numbers,
Oh, okay. This is what I'm asking.
but like I told you, I didn't have any friends. I didn't know anybody here when I came. I just started meeting people yesterday.
It's difficult. People's number and meet some people here.
Yeah, just in case.